Welcome to TalentHR, an intuitive HR platform designed to help you manage your people, track employee data, and welcome new hires. Create your account in just a few clicks by visiting the TalentHR website. Log in as the company administrator to start setting up your domain. When you log in, you'll see the home dashboard. Start working on your domain straight away with the drawer menu on the left, by adding new users, or by performing a search. Notice a familiar face in the top right corner. This is where you can update your profile, time zone, and language settings, change your password, or ask our experts for some guidance. Make TalentHR truly yours by customizing your domain URL, time zone, logo, and color palette. Get rid of complex spreadsheets and get your people onto an HR platform that looks and feels familiar. Choose among different types of time off requests, like vacation, work from home, and sick days, or create custom ones. Adjust the balance for all employees, or for specific employees based on their location, department, or division. Set up onboarding tasks to create a paperless and consistent onboarding experience for new hires. Save time by automating all essential steps of the process. Remind your IT staff to provide new hires with access to necessary tools, or your training team to schedule sessions which will bring them up to speed. Minimize manual tasks even more by automating the offboarding process as well. Set your job titles, locations, departments, and more based on your organization's needs. Add new members to your organization quickly. Enter their mandatory information. And save time by enabling new employees to fill out the rest of their info. Or, use the import option to mass add your users with a CSV file. Simply drop the file into the import area and your employees will be added to the platform right away. TalentHR also features native Talent LMS integration. If you're already using Talent LMS, you can automatically add the users from your learning portal to TalentHR. All you have to do is visit your integration settings in TalentHR and select Talent LMS. Add your learning portal details and TalentHR will take it from there. This integration will also make information such as courses attended available to you within TalentHR. Find all your employee data in one place. Use smart filters to easily find the information you're looking for. Make sure that team members and managers can easily find useful info about their coworkers, such as their contact details and birthdays, while keeping sensitive data, like payroll information, confidential from other employees. You can assign existing users to the role of HR manager so they can manage the platform with you, or terminate their employment if they've left the company. Plan ahead and use the calendar to keep everyone on the same page. All public holidays are added automatically based on your location. You can use the matrix and calendar views to display the information on your dashboard. Use smart filters to find out who's currently out from specific departments or locations at a glance. Allow all users to request time off easily from the Book Time Off button. Your staff can request an absence from anywhere. You'll get an instant notification, and their remaining balance will automatically get updated. Stop worrying about forgetting a task. All time off and onboarding tasks that require your approval or attention can be found on a single page. Once you complete a task, it'll move to its dedicated folder. Do you offer health insurance, a wellness program, or other types of benefits to your employees? Add all of these benefits to your account, including important information like cost, and keep them organized in one place. Keep track of your organization with big picture graphs and stats. Find out how your headcount changes over time in a snap. And compare it with previous years. Calculate your turnover. How employees are assigned by divisions or departments. And more. All reports can be exported as CSV files. Lastly, use the timeline to keep track of current and previous domain activity. Add documents to your personal space, or share them across the company. Simply drag and drop your files, or browse your folders and upload them. Back on the home page, you always have a quick view of reports for your people, locations, divisions, and departments. You can also see who's out right now. Check your upcoming days off. Find out what's new in the company. And view any shared documents or links. TalentHR is powered by Epignosis, an HR and L&D software company. If you have questions about the capability or pricing of TalentHR, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.